discuss on machine learning and artificial intelligence. My name is Boluwatife Adejumoye, and I will be guiding you through this exciting journey on artificial intelligence and machine learning through Tech Valley Institute of Technology. So, in this course, we are going to dive into the fascinating world where computers don't just follow instructions, right? The computers learn, computers adapt, and make decisions based on data. So, whether you are new to the field of machine learning, you don't know about what machine learning is, you don't know what AI means at all, or you are an intermediate developer, yeah, you're currently in this field, or you are looking to sharpen your skills, you are in the right place. And this course will break down complex concepts into easy to understand lessons for you. So we have so many modules from module 1 to 10 and to 11, which includes the project work. So you can get your hands dirty doing some work and then learn on the go by project-based learning. So by the end of this course, you will have the skills to understand how machine learning works, how machines learn from data, how to source data, AI, natural language processing, and algorithms, different kind of algorithms. And you would learn how intelligent assistants like even Siri, Alexa, and all of those things work. So if you're ready to get started, I will be happy to have you in class. See you in class. Bye. Of machine learning, supervised learning, unsupervised learning, and reinforcement learning. You would get the applications of machine learning in healthcare, in finance, in marketing, in autonomous vehicles like Tesla and the likes. So you set up the environment, you know how to code in Python, how to set up the environment in Jupyter Notebook, and some essential libraries that we use in machine learning, such as NumPy, Panda, Scikit-learn, and the likes. So you'll be introduced to Python for machine learning. You understand data types, the types of data, data collection, data cleaning, and the process of data visualization. Moving to module two of the lesson includes the understanding of the data types, that is in data preprocessing. You would go through data transformation processes, we'll go through exploratory data analysis. And in the module 3 of the lesson of the course, we would go through supervised learning. What does it mean to supervise computers? We'll go through linear regression concepts, the cost function graded descent, implementation of linear regression in Python, evolution metrics, and the real life application of linear regression. So we are going to work on a project on linear regression. Then we move to module 4, which is on classification algorithms, logistic regressions, introduction, cost function, and implementation. Some algorithms like k-nearest neighbors, distance metrics, and model evaluation. So you understand the concept of Turing, decision trees, and naive Bayes, support vector machines. So you get to understand what precision, F1 score, French score, and all of those things means. Then confusion matrix. Then module 5 will be talking mainly on model selection and evaluation in the course of the training, overfitting and underfitting bias, variance, grid search, and hyperparameter tuning. And in module 6, we'll be mainly diving on unsupervised learning, k-means clustering, principal component analysis, and hierarchical clustering. So all of these things are embedded in module 6 of the learning. And in module 7 of the learning, we have introduction to neural networks, how these things work, neural networks and the brain, what is neural networks, backpropagation and gradient descent, building a simple neural network using Keras and TensorFlow. We train our neural network, we evaluate, and in module 8, we'll have the deep learning fundamentals. We'll be introduced to deep learning, convolution neural networks, recurrent neural networks, RNN, deep learning hands-on. We have a project using Keras and TensorFlow. And in module 9 of the lesson, we will have natural language processing, and another exciting part of the lesson. So classification, sentiment analysis, just like ChatGPT, think of all these language models, they use natural language processing. And then in module 10, we go through reinforcement learning, uh, Markov decision process, deep Q networks, Q learning, Bellman equation, and all of those things. So we another applications of reinforcement learning is in games, robotics, and others. So it is going to be an exciting one. And in module 11, we have model deployment and optimization. How do you deploy your model that you have built on your local system to make it available on the computer? So how do you make this happen? So this is what we will touch in module 11. And module 12 will finalize on our project. So every student will have a personal project working on. So